Public service announcement. Munich, Frankfurt, Germany, I'm coming for you. I'm literally at your doorstep. I'm literally knocking on the door. Urban Traveler is coming to you. Beware, I'm about to turn the city up. And guess what? I'm not just going to Germany. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you. Now you're probably wondering, like, why am I going to Turkey? I already know, like, I can hear people talking.
I thought you already went to Turkey before.
Ain't nobody caring at all. Nobody caring. Like, if it ain't basketball, football related. Like right now, I'm about to get on the new Call of Duty. Like, yo, that new Call of Duty about to be lit right now. But nobody caring. The last time I checked, Turkey was actually an animal, not a country. Alright, like I said, I already know what you guys were gonna say. So, I'm gonna go into details. But actually, let's go out and enjoy this day because it is scorching hot and it's beautiful. So I'm not gonna waste my day inside of a house. So let's go. See ya. For those that are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and push that ring ding-a-ling bell button because it's very important, because I release awesome content that not only travel with tech gadgets, lifestyle, motivation, you name it. So stay tuned on that. Please make sure you do that, because if you miss out, then you're missing out on a great opportunity to elevate your game. Alright? No, back to the top. A lot of people would look at me and think I was stupid when I brought up the idea of going to Turkey for the first time, but especially when it came to the religion side, because 90% of the people in Turkey practiced the religion Islam, and especially with the politics and stuff like that, it made it very difficult, because as soon as I went, things started to change, not only with the people around me, especially with the people around me, it also gave me a better insight of what I wanted to see, because it transformed my life. Like literally, I had a spiritual connection with people that I have never met, and I got a better understanding not only of myself, but the things around me. That's what brought me to create Urban Traveler's Guide. And to top it off, I was given the opportunity to travel again and then spread more positivity, more influence, and especially my wisdom about culture. Oh man. And to top it off, I truly recommend people to go travel to Turkey. It's a beautiful country. Not only the food is amazing, the people, it's phenomenal. So what I plan to do when I go to Turkey is to show the same experience that I witnessed when I was in Turkey 2 years ago. I didn't get a chance to go back 2 years ago because there was a travel ban for Americans. But now I've given the opportunity to do it once again, but on a whole nother perspective, and an alternative way of travel that I wish to introduce to people. So stay tuned. October is about to be an interesting month. So I'll see you guys later. I'm about to enjoy this weather. Peace.